Welcome to a new video on my fischertechnik robo interface, which is connected to serial port, LED, switch, small motor, active sonar, power motor and phototransistor. And this is a flashlight for the phototransistor. Robo interface is no longer being made for quite a while, but is still very widely used among fischertechnik fans, and it has, of course, a serial interface, extension interface, and 4 motor outputs which can individually used as output to an LED or a lamp. Also 8 digital inputs, analog inputs and outputs, and sonar. Also 2 types of memory, 2 flash and 1 random access memory. And that is also where my project is coming in, because it is programmed in BASIC. BASIC is an interpreter. The interpreter is stored in the flash memory, and the program will be stored in the random access memory. Data generated is sent via a serial cable to my laptop, and from there it is acquired and processed by scientific language Octave. From there I generate 2 datalog files, and that is what the focus of this time is. Also, compared to last time, I have now a yellow and a black ending here, or piece, so you can see when it is actually nicely running. At least I hope it will show it. First of all, let me load the software, but to do that I will jump to a screencast to show the software, what I'm talking about, and then load the software in here. So, the software environment, a few terminals and a camera. Upload. To upload the compiled program to the interface. And yes, I said interpreter, but I'll come to that. Then let me name this step as well. This is compile. So BASIC was created for this interface on Windows, and I don't have Windows, so I'm using the Windows emulator to compile it. And the source code, which you see here, is compiled to a hex file, and the hex file can be interpreted by the BASIC interpreter, which resides, as I said, in the flash memory. Then Minicom terminal, not yet active. Datalog file generated from Octave, and equality datalog also generated from Octave, which is right here. And as this is not nice to read, I have to change this. But first, let's upload. No, I'm going to do it somewhat different this time, because I need to make sure that things are going to work out nicely, and what I compare is sonar. So I need as much sonar words in the source code as I can. This all says sonar, that's correct. Sonar small, and this is sonar large. Here everything is called sonar by now. Is it indeed correct? Yes. Then I will say small motor, but without a sonar. So let me put in here no sonar and LED, comma no sonar. So I have, oh, and here switch, no sonar. So I have as many places where there is the word sonar. Save, and now I can compile into a hex file. And I have to check whether it has done. It says end of compiling, so I assume that that is a yes, but and considering the timestamp, it has ended successfully. That is good. So now I can upload, which is easy done. Then go to the controller and let me straighten the camera a bit. That's better. So pressing once, pressing twice, go. And now you see the LED go very nicely. Yeah, it's a 3-color LED, but whatever. Press. Now you see here that it really does work nicely. Something with sonar. Oh, and of course, by the way, to gain some data, I have to run it. So within Octave I press F5 and then it starts running. I also quit it immediately because I have to change something in the algorithm, and that I will do right now. Alright, the algorithm in Octave. So start from the beginning. Load instrument control. Last time I had to reinstall all packages for Octave. For some reason it had discarded everything, but now it works again. Reading from T2i USB 0. Baud rate or speed. Then declaration of file names. Open them. Wait until or do everything until access being entered. Reading the data from here. Put everything into a vector and then put the word sonar into a vector and put gelijk into a vector. Yeah, except that if you want to print this and get something under each other, you have to do something else, because then you have to do a 7th character and new line, and this is 1 character. This should be alright. And what else? Yeah, this is not being put nicely. not that I've seen. So this may be very well going wrong. But let's see, because last time I wondered if that was correct, 55. I thought I saw another sign or another character. Anyway, let's press F5 to save and go. That also means that I will have to press here again. And yes, that is running nicely. And then that stops. Let me also shine a light. And that is all nice, I think. So let me now see, 55 is being printed. Now, would it be printed into file? Yes. So let me now see what is in the file. And that is absolutely nothing yet. This is strange. Where's the Control M coming from? No sonar. Yeah, that is coming from here. LED, no sonar. And oh wait, would it be better if I just round everything off with Control M or with new line? Because that may just be the problem here. Sonar with two ends. That is very strange. Nothing happening here. Is that some typo I made? No, really not. So I don't know where the double N comes from. Very strange. But let's continue for now a bit and see where things end up. So pressing, and the sonar, by the way, has a reliable minimum distance of 2 centimeters. Within 2 centimeters it measures everything but correct. So let me just keep it like this, and 55 is being written to the file, but I need to see it in the file. Let's take a look if there's a difference by now. Nothing yet. So how come there's nothing yet? Need to find out. To get things more organized, I have put a /n for new line behind most lines, print lines. I have also added a 1-1 element of V5. I hope that helps, because this is going nowhere. this is also very strange. Where's the /m, the Ctrl M, also new line coming from? So let's try to get some clarity. First of all, load, go and load, and I have to interrupt this and then it works, hopefully. So go to camera and go. And with light again. So this should give some idea of what is happening. Question is it? That is not happening. Then here, nothing, absolutely nothing yet. So the question is something being written after all here? Oh, that's another thing, of course. This is character. If I want to write something different, I probably have to use a number. This is character, this is number. Let's change that for a moment. Okay, quit and go. Once more. Oh wait, I forget something, I think. Let me, because that's another thing. If I compile, I have to cycle power on the interface. I didn't do that yet. Ouch. So pull the plug, put the plug. Alright. Then upload. And now I can test the new software. No. What is it doing? 1, 2. Okay, this is not quite what I understand, what should be happening. Yeah. Re-upload. Now it works. And go here. So this is the new program. And now I wonder if I even compiled new lines in. So let me do it again. And yes, I was interrupted in things. So compile. Not yet. It hasn't done it yet. Alright, now things seem to be done. Retrying. don't think that my compilation has succeeded. Let me do it again. Blocked. Something is not quite alright here. Question is, why not? This is not nice. Alright, nothing yet. Error hopefully solved, but now it literally takes /n, and that was obviously not the intention. So if I now take a look at the data log, it also says /n instead of just a new line. So it's gone for the worst. And once more, here there's nothing in it, which is quite strange. So why is there nothing in it? There is. Alright, now things should run. $55 going in. And it should be in the file, but there's nothing yet. So let's see from when that file actually is. From 3 minutes ago. So right now it's not even being written, or it is being written and I'm not seeing it yet. But 55 should be in there. Oh wait, what is 55 anyway? Yeah, according to this, 55 is really a digit, not a byte, not ASCII, just a number. It should be treated as such. And I recall last time with another project that after I quit everything, things were suddenly after a few minutes filled and I got some results. But I would like to have them now. So what if I quit this? Oh, look here. Alright. 55 is being written. Hooray. So this actually means that the file is not being written or viewable until I quit the algorithm. So how do I get this? Well, there is being written gelijk, which is equal, which is, let's see here with oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, right. The new line makes that there's nothing after gelijk. and 55 is just being written like that. So this basically works. Now, how about this one? Does it make sense at all? What is this about? Very strange things. So 55 works, gelijk works, thanks to the number of sonars that I've now put in it. So that's at least something. But this text doesn't make sense. This text doesn't make sense at all. This doesn't make sense. Most of the text does not make sense at all here. Why is this text crumbled? And if now I've stopped that one, let's take this. Oh, right. That is this speed. So let's compare. /n. Well, I don't want to see /n, but okay, for now. And this is nice, no photo transistor. This is text that I want to see, not like this. So how come Octave messes it up? Why? And time is limiting me in solving this now. Alright, so end of this video with some improvements, some new wisdom, like don't expect anything to see in the log file until you've stopped the algorithm that is filling it. At least now you can see that it is running. Explainable with new line in from basic and more stuff. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or wire transfer, which is banking, primarily very nice in Europe. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned, depending on the pledge you make. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day. Oh, by the way, please visit my website. URL is listed under this video. Social media names as well. And on my website are more projects and lots of pictures. Like I said, have a nice day and bye bye.